One is fine. I came and I grabbed my ice cream and shot. Hey wellness and this is me. I made it to the movie theater to pick up and I got some balls and I'm gonna take it home to watch TV or a show at home and just enjoy, self-care doesn't need to be expensive. Just a little thing you do for yourself day by day. You know, what does your body need? What do you need? I'm right now. That's what my body is telling me to need. So I'm gonna get that. And plan on having a great weekend. You know, let's be amazing. Some popcorn.